In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to perform a correlation analysis in SPSS. To do this, you open your SPSS, then you go to Analyze. Scroll down to Correlate, then you choose the bivariate. Here, you're going to select the items you would like to correlate. And you can do this by moving the items into the next box using the middle arrow. You can decide to highlight all of the items together and shift them, but I'm deciding to move them one after the other. After this, you click on Options. Then you select Mean and Standard Deviation. Then you select Exclude Cases List-wise. Then you Continue. Then OK. Now, this is the results gotten, and if you would like to know how to save your results into your document, you can check out that video on this channel. After you've saved your work into your workspace, you can decide to interpret it like this, or you can remove the above numbers, leaving it like this, or you can format the table to make it look like this.